Hello guys, this video is just to inform you about ORSL. ORSL is actually an energy drink. It is not home recommended treatment for diarrhea or acute gastroenteritis and should never be used during diarrhea. In the packet itself, it is clearly written that do not use during diarrhea. But many people I have seen give their children to drink this liquid during gastroenteritis or vomiting or in diarrhea to reduce dehydration. Myself, I did not know till my internship period and thought that ORS powder and ORSL is having same action. So we should not get astonished if general people have this misconception. See the ingredients of the ORS powder and see the proportion of sodium, potassium, citrate and dextrose, and its total osmolality is 245, while ORSL's total osmolality is 585 milliosmol per liter. So while you are tired, use ORSL for energy, and if you are having diarrhea or acute gastroenteritis, use ORS powder. If you use ORSL during diarrhea or vomiting, it will aggravate the disease and increase the frequency of loose motions and vomiting. Thanks for watching.